So a fantastic way to become an authority in something or increase your customer retention and of course get lots of organic SEO is to create a blog. Now I'm sure everybody knows what a blog is, so I'm not going to get into that description. And Shopify, enables us to create a blog very, very easily. So it's definitely worth spending just a few minutes having a look at how that would work, just so that you're aware. So here I am. I've basically clicked on a blog post in our menu down here, and I'm prompted to create basically my first blog post. So let's click on this button. Now let's imagine we've got a blog going for product reviews that we bring out. Okay, so I might have a title, and sorry, my examples are not great, but say new product review. Okay, content I'm going to put in here, blah blah. All right, excuse me for not producing something brilliant there, but I hope you get the point of this whole lecture. So what we want to do now is create a new blog. I'm the author, but we need to create a new blog. So let's call this blog title product reviews. All right, so what we've done is we're going to create a new blog, product reviews, and this is going to be our first blog post in it called new product review. I'm going to make it visible. I could upload an image, which is always nice with the blog, and I could add in some tags. Yeah, if you're not familiar with tags, if you've not done blogging, then tags are kind of like keywords to associate with your blog to enable it to be found later on, etc. So that's basically, very quickly, I've created a blog post. Now let's click on save. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on blog posts here again, because you're going to see the change in the page. Right, so now what we have is blog posts, all right, and we've got, well, this is the list of our blog posts. I've only got one. It's sitting in a blog called product reviews. Now let's just have a quick look at the blog settings themselves. So let's click on product reviews. Now here, if I wanted to change the title, I could add a feed burner URL, which is like an external URL for people who might have a paid subscription to your blog. And I can also disable or allow comments. So super, super easy. If I go back to manage blogs and then back to blog posts, if I click on this new product review, clearly I get the option to edit the whole thing. So there we go, super, super easy. So let's add now the blog into our navigation menu at the top. So we looked at how we added the pages in before. So we click on navigation. We're going to go to the main menu. We're going to add a menu item. And let's call it our blog. And then the link comes up. Select blogs, product reviews, and add it in. Don't forget to save, of course. And now let's have a look at the site. And our blog now appears at the top as well. Click on our blog, and here we have it. Product reviews, new product review, blah, blah. All right. So that's how to create blogs. Fantastically easy. Now let's just go back to the admin stage now, because we've come to the end of this particular section. And what we've looked at in this menu so far are the preferences. We looked at navigation, we've looked at adding pages, and we've looked at blog posts. Now domains is something we're going to get into a bit later on when we're looking at the plans. We don't need to worry about that right now. And in the next section, we're going to start talking about themes, which is where we really start, the site really starts to come to life a lot more. So, take a breath here. We've done a lot so far in this course, and I really hope that, particularly if at the beginning you were feeling a little bit intimidated by something like Shopify, that you're beginning to realize this is all point and click and really not that difficult, right? I hope maybe you're starting to think, yeah, I could do this. Maybe I could become a Shopify developer, or maybe I could start my own e-commerce store. Whatever it might be. So I really hope your confidence is building and you're really finding this course super, super useful. So let's crack on to the next section.